Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, madam. I'm healthy, ma'am.
Okay, if you feel unwell but you're staying in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time and you won't give problem also with yourself at the same time, okay? Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
I'm agree, madam. I am
Okay,
agree, ma'am.
it's okay. So this is your first time working abroad or you are an ex-OFW?
I'm ex I'm ex of W, madam.
Okay, can you help me
Ma'am.
introduce yourself, please?
Uh, my name is Elmira Costa. I live in Nueva Ecija. I'm 30 years old. My birthday is December 27, 1994. My name is my mother is Herbelita Liwasag Herbelita Tomog Liwasag, and my father is Daniel Macaranas Gacosta. I'm one sister. Ah, Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. I need to know some few more details from you. Do you have your passport already, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are single.
Yes, ma'am.
You have children.
Don't have children, madam,
Okay.
ma'am.
So what is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'7", 5'6". My weight is 63, ma'am.
What is your religion?
I'm Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your
My
educational background?
high school graduate, ma'am.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
No, is your family allow you to come and work here in
Yes, ma'am.
Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, no problem later.
No problem.
Okay, so in your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2019 to 2021 in Riyadh and you finished your contract for 2 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can
I'm
you share it
finished.
with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Riyadh?
Um, all around cleaning house, and then the child, 7 years old.
Okay, you do cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Only cooking for assist for my madam, and then iron me and washing me.
Okay. So what happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue working to your employer in Riyadh?
Um,
Of course, you finished your contract. So what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
uh, I'm back to Riyadh, no, madam. Ay, ma'am.
Yes, why you didn't go back in Riyadh?
Um, I mean, ma'am, I want more country, madam. I want experience
Okay. So
any
that's why you
country.
go that's why you come here in Malaysia way back 2022 to 2024 and you finish your contract, correct?
Uh, Repeat, madam. I know.
Okay. So after in Riyadh, you work here in Malaysia, am I right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, so way back 2022 to 2024, you work here in Malaysia for 2 years. You finish your contract.
yes, ma'am. I finished my contract, ma'am.
Is it Chinese family?
Yes, ma'am.
How many family members you work?
Um, 5 po,
Okay. So what
and
are your
then the
duties there?
all around, ma'am. And then my priority is the eldest.
How old
I am
is it
caring the
children? Is
old.
it a child?
No, ma'am.
Elderly.
She's old. Yes, ma'am.
How old is the
Uh,
elderly that you take care?
85 years old, ma'am.
Female or male?
Male, ma'am.
Male. So while taking care of this male, did you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing at the same time?
Only, madam, I'm cook and then laundry
You
and
ironing?
then
You clean the house?
yes, ma'am.
Did you iron
For
also?
one, ma'am?
Did you do ironing also?
No, ma'am.
No, ah. So you
Yes,
focus
ma'am.
on taking care of the elderly, and then at the same time, while the elderly is resting, you do the house chores also at the same time. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm focused the elderly, madam.
Okay. So, what happened? Why you didn't continue working to this employer?
Because my madam asked me the side both family, madam, she's change agency and need
Oh. Oh, okay.
so
So that's why they took in another agency la.
yes.
Okay. So being an
Like
OF, sorry?
auntie for my sir,
Oh, okay.
another family.
Another family. So, okay, so it's not new for you being a domestic helper because you already got working experience. First in Riyadh and second is here in Malaysia, okay? So you
Yes,
already
ma'am.
know what are those preferences that the employer is looking for those workers, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm flexible, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
The cook, ma'am, for like porridge, madam. I
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay,
It's
but are you
old.
willing to learn some new recipes?
Yes,
You
I
okay?
will.
You are willing to cook also?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800. But if you will work, employer will going to compensate. You could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
I'm okay, madam. No
Okay, yeah,
problem.
no problem, ah.
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then it's okay. You can come. You work properly. Don't give us problem, okay? But if you
Yes, ma'am.
disagree, better stay in the Philippines and better find job opportunities to other countries, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In Philippines, we can do or you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, you already knew it because you've been here, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations and we need to respect the culture also of the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Elmira. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you
Thank
so
you,
much and have
ma'am.
a good day.